It's been raining for 3 long weeks and we missed going outside. We longed to feel the warmth of the sun again. Me and my friend decided to go for jogging and exercise, even though it's still raining. I think the only way to beat the gloomy weather is to do something that makes you happy anyway. This is Joanna, my friend. She moved in our compound a month ago. She said she wanted to avoid the noise and hustle of the city life. She is an added joy to us, and I'm glad to be around her and support her while she's here. We both want to be around people who like to grow, so it's a pleasure to have someone by your side. I just want to express my gratitude for having found real friendships. My friends are from different places, and most of them are far away. Or I should say I am far away, because I was the one who moved. Some of them I may never meet in person. That's why, thanks to the internet, we have a beautiful window to connect with amazing people. Real friendships are built in trust, respect, and mutual understanding. We don't have to be updated about each other's life to know that we matter to each other. We trust that wherever we are, we can call each other home. The kind of warmth and joy you feel when you see each other again, there's nothing but laughter and excitement to be together. Have you found your real friends yet? Because if you have at least one person who loves you no matter how you show up, you are very lucky. If you find them, love them hard. They are for keeps. Finally, the weather got better. My family wouldn't let any chance pass to go to the beach whenever possible. Joanna didn't come with us this time because she has something else to do. And my independent self reminded me that my joy is not dependent on someone else. I have decided a long time ago that I will be happy regardless if I am with others or when I'm alone. I am not restricted by the absence of people. I'd still enjoy my journey no matter what. For some people, it's scary to be alone, but for me, it's something I also enjoy. I am more spontaneous type of person. I love unplanned trips, and I choose to enjoy the journey even when mishaps happen. I was once that kind of friend who used to need validation from others, but life taught me hard that I am my own best friend. Our friends are only there to complement us, not to complete us. They are only a bonus. It's important to remember that before searching for real friendships, we have to be that kind of true friend first to ourselves. And when we do that, we add value into the lives of those we love more than we take from them.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Learn to take care of your emotional well-being. Do what you love. Do what makes you happy. Learn to stand on your own. Advocate for yourself until you become confident about who you are. Enjoy your own company first, and then others will see the joy and the light in you. Good people will come find their way to you. and it will be a sweet, wonderful experience. I promise.
Okay.